guys, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, please, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can receive videos when I upload. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a Fashionnova unboxing. Yeah, I recently purchased some items from Fashionnova, and I'm gonna unbox them with you guys so you guys can see what I ordered. And I was thinking about doing a haul, but I'm not the type of person, I do not like to try clothes on just to try them on. Like, I hate trying on clothes. If I go to the store to buy something, I don't even want to try it on. I kind of like guess sometimes, but if I see like maybe it's not working out and I don't really know, then I'll definitely go ahead and try it on before I purchase it. Guys, drop a comment down below if you guys would love for me to do a try on haul and for, you know, my hubby to rate the outfits. So just let me know down below if you guys would like a video like that. So yeah, recently I purchased some items from Fashionnova. Normally Fashionnova, you know, their shipping is fast, but in this case, I know due to COVID-19, they, you know, the shipping has been a little bit delayed. Just to show you guys how much I love you guys. I received my package yesterday. It was yesterday I received my package, and look guys, I haven't even opened my stuff yet. I was like, no, I'm gonna just wait. I want to share this with my supporters. I want to show you guys. I want you guys to see everything the same time I'm seeing it, okay? So I did that just for you guys. I did not open it. So see guys, I have not opened it. It's sealed. I'm not lying. Here it is, okay? So let's open up and see what kind of goodies I got. Okay, I will leave the names of the items just in case you guys might like an item that I have and want to maybe go to Fashionnova and cop that, sis. I'll leave it down below in the description bar. All right, so the first thing I'm going to take out, this one is called Throw It in the Bag crop top, okay? So this is the Throw It in the Bag crop top. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out how to open the thing, the package. Okay, so it's like this little white crop top, and it says Savage on it, guys. This is it right here. I have some jeans that I'm gonna wear this with. I can pick any color out of these colors to wear this with. So yeah, that's gonna be cute. So that's the first thing I have. And next I have this, which one is this one? Good Karma All Day Tie-Dye Top, okay? It says Good Karma All Day. Oh, this is a cute shirt. It's like a tie-dye. It says Good Karma Only. You see this, guys? It's just a regular t-shirt. I can always throw this on with some jeans and a cute some cute little sneakers, or maybe like, you know, some flats or something. It's just cute to just throw on with some jeans. So this is it, guys. All right, yeah guys, so I have another shirt here. This one is called Available on Weekends, okay? Trying to get the package open. It's this orange shirt here. It's just a t-shirt, regular t-shirt, and it says available on weekends. Available weekends, not even on. I don't know where I got that from, but yeah, available weekends. Yep, it's just a nice little orange shirt. And I really got some shirts because I'm going through my wardrobe and I'm realizing, I'm like, wow, like I have a lot of bottoms and I have a lot of dresses and stuff like that, but I don't have a lot of like regular everyday shirts that I can just wear, throw on with some jeans or something, or throw on with some leggings and keep it pushing. You know, I really don't have that much shirts like that. All right, let's see what's next here in the bag. Let's see what I got. All right, this one is a sweater. like a sweatshirt, and it says No One Cares Sweatshirt. Let me take it out the bag and show you guys. So here it is. It's like a nice little baby pink sweatshirt, and it says No One Cares. Yes, guys, so this is it right here. And I thought this would be cute if I'm feeling like, you know, it's on a day where I'm not feeling too dressy. I just want to throw it on and go. And I want to stay warm, even though it's summer now. Summer's about to, you know, summer's about to be here. But still, you can never go wrong with a sweatshirt. You never know where you're going to be or what the temperature is going to be like. You know, sometimes it's really cold in my house. I can just throw it on. And I have a couple more things for you guys. Nothing too much. Just a couple more items for you guys. Ooh, I'm liking the colors on this. Oh, yeah, I like this already. Because, baby, guess what it says? Getting money. Tunic top. Getting money is what I love, okay? Who doesn't love money? Who doesn't? Tell me. But, you know, money can be a bad thing. Money can be evil. It just depends on how you get your money and how you operate with your money and how you spend your money, because money can be a bad thing. But who doesn't want some coins, sis? But I got this one right here. It says Getting Money. Just a regular, another t-shirt I can just throw on with some jeans or some leggings or whatever. So that's the Getting Money. Boom. Okay, we did that. And I have another shirt for you guys. All right, this one is the, let me see. This one is the Booked and Busy shirt, okay? Booked and busy, because who? She, me, her, when Corona wasn't around, was booked and busy, okay? So, yeah. We got this, well, I got this shirt. It says Booked and Busy. And guess what? I'm unbothered, okay? Unbothered. So it's just a regular little red t-shirt, and it says Booked, Busy, and Unbothered. Boom. So we got that. Booked, Busy, and Unbothered, sis. Who's bothered? Who's bothered? Not me. Let's keep it pushing. This one, I know all my ladies can relate to this one. And this one says Independent Women, okay? Independent women. So, all my independent women out there, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, okay? Make sure y'all, sis, if you ain't independent, boo, sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's 2020. Women are taking over. Period. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, guys, this is a crop top. This is a crop top, and it says Independent Women. This is cute, guys. Yes. So this is it right here. Independent Women. Yep. Like I said, guys, I will definitely leave the description to each item down below in the description bar, so that way if you go on Fashionnova and you want to purchase these items, you know exactly what to type in. You don't have to go searching through Fashionnova's millions and millions of items to find it, okay? So, boom. And I have one more for you guys. This is the last one, but not least. This is, let's see. This one is called Nothing Like Tunic top. So when I purchased this one, it said it was like an oversized shirt. So you know your girl's gonna wear this as a dress, right? That's what I planned on doing. But let me unbox it and see if that's gonna work. Okay? Because sometimes they say oversized and then it's probably not gonna be long enough. Even though I'm short, I'm nothing but 5'4". So I might not be able to wear it as a dress, guys, but we'll see. I can wear this as a dress. But this is it right here. And this one says Nothing Like, let's see what it says here. Oh, baby. Baby, you see what it says? Limited edition, okay? Because you know your girl is a limited edition. You can't find no other like me, boo. So, yeah. This one is a limited edition. That's what it says. And, yeah, it's oversized shirt, but I'm going to wear this as a dress. Yeah, I'm going to wear it as a dress. It's long enough. It's big enough. And that's why I ordered a size up so that I would be able to wear it as a dress, okay? Okay, guys, that is it for my Fashionnova unboxing. I got 8 items and my total was about let's see here. I think I have it here. No, I don't have it. But my total was about $124, I believe, with the shipping was free. Yeah, so about $124 for these 8 items. Not too bad. I did use a coupon code because they had a 30 to 80% off. Some of the shirts that I got were on sale. And yeah, I'm very happy with my purchase. I'm not gonna lie. There's nothing wrong with any of the items. Everything was neatly packaged, nicely packaged. They were individually packaged, and I like that. And also they add the names of the items to the packaging, which I love also, so that you can know what's what. And yeah, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and hit up Fashionnova, go ahead. No, this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. It's not sponsored, but yeah, guys, they always have some cute stuff that you can just, for a good reasonable price, that you can just buy. Summer's coming up. Thanks for joining Face Beat by Nique. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you, my beat babes. I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to comment. Do you guys want me to do a try on haul with the hubby? He rates my outfits. Let me know. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.